Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are outside the Walgreens today and hopefully it's the last week of the beauty event because I'm kind of getting sick of it, to be quite honest. I also didn't get any spend boosters this week, so I plan on doing a couple transactions and just using Walgreens cash. But we'll see what my store has in stock too, because that plays a lot of it. There is a printable breakdown just in case you do want to edit it or take it to the store with you. You can pull it up on your phone, that way you're not missing out on any deals. Also, there's that subscribe button while you're down there if you're not currently subscribed. I would love to have you as part of my channel, but without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. We have decent savings on Dove Men Plus Care. I know it's harder to get savings on this product, so this might be a deal for you. But they are buy one, get one, 50% off. Buy two, get $2 in registry rewards. In store, they're listed, or at least at my store, they're listed two for $14.69. Basically, the buy one, get one, 50% off. So you'll grab two at the $14.69 price. We have a $4 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $10.69. Then we'll get the $2 registry reward for buying two. Plus on Fetch, we have a spend 14, get 2,000 Fetch points, which is about $2. So I will be hitting that. So it will make it $6.68 or 69 cents for both of them for me. If you're not hitting that Fetch offer, it'll be $8.69 for both products. So Gillette and Venus disposable and shaving products are on the same promotion yet again this week for buy one get one 50% off, spend 15 get $5 in registry rewards. So the best way I'm gonna do this deal this week is to grab the Gillette Mach 3 razor. It is $10.99 and we're gonna grab two of them. So these two products will total us $16.48 because one is full price, one is 50% off. I got this $6 only for you digital coupon this morning, and now I know a lot of if you do the same deals as me, like you'll get the same digital coupons, like the only for you ones, and I feel like 50% of counts has this chance to get this coupon, so just definitely double check your account. But they'll be left to pay $10.48 at the register, get the $5 register reward for spending $15, make them $5.48 for both. The Nivea Men body wash deal got better this week than last week. So they're on promotion for spend 15, get $5 in Walgreens cash, and they're $5. You'll grab three of them for $15. Now, hopefully you clipped the $3 digital coupon from last week. It is not clippable anymore. So you'll have to hopefully have that clipped. And we got a new $1 digital coupon, so you'll grab three of them for $15. Use the $3 and the $1 because the $3 is off of two, the $1 is off of one. You'll pay $11 at the register, get the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $15, making them $6 for all three products. If you need some easy ups, definitely check at Walgreens. They're 50% off for only this 3 to 4T Peppa Pig one. It is half off, or we have the box one, so this would be the 3 to 4T one as well for $16.99. Super hot clearance find. So we have these daily whitening serums. This is on clearance for $11.39. I don't think there's any coupons that attached to this, but we have this easy to use pen and light, $17.99, and there's a $10 digital coupon for this, making it just $7.99. We also have the clearance price drop down on these larger Colgate Optic White boxes. Wow, I almost couldn't talk. They're $1.79 now for these two. We have great savings on Crest and Oral-B products, so they're on promotion for buy two, get $4 in register rewards. They're on sale for $5. So grab like two of the toothpaste, or you can mix and match. You can grab some of the twin packs of the Oral-B toothbrushes. You can come grab these Oral-B Glide Gum Care floss picks, or you can grab these massive bottles of the Scope mouthwash. Regardless, whatever two you grab, your total will be $10. We have a $4 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $6 at the register. We'll get the $4 register reward for buying two, make them $2 for both. Select Colgate products are on promotion for buy two, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $6. So you can grab something like these Optic White Advanced. You can also come grab one of these 360 manual toothbrushes. But regardless, grabbing 2 will be a total of $12. We have a $3 digital coupon for the first toothpaste, and then depending on your second product, if you grab another toothpaste or the toothbrush, we have a separate $3 digital coupon for that. You'll pay $6 at the register, get the $5 register reward for buying 2, making them $1 for both boxes. This week we have a hot deal on Purex. If it's a brand you like, they're on sale for just $1.99. No coupons needed. You can grab the 21 pack. I was reading this. Or if you prefer, you can grab the liquids. Same price, no coupons needed. Grab as many as you like. We have our normal great deal. This is a beginner friendly. I think this deal is super amazing, and there's no coupons needed for this deal, so select products are on sale for $16. So you can grab something like the Febreze Air twin packs. You can grab the twin packs of the Febreze bathrooms. Select Swiffer or Mr. Clean products are included in this. Dawn Easy Squeeze or the bigger bottles of the Dawn dish soap are included. The Gain Scent Bead is included, or the Gain Fabric Softener. Last but not least, the Gain Liquids or the Gain Flings that are the small count are included. So you'll mix and match, grab your 4 favorite items or the same 4, it doesn't matter. But your total will be $16 with no coupons needed. We have a hot deal if you haven't done it yet. It's on the Finish Powerball Ultimate. This is the 11 count. It's 25% off, so it's $5.62. We have a $3 digital coupon, making it just $2.62. We have a really good deal on Bounty paper towel. If it's a brand you need or brand you like, they're on promotion for buy 2 get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $12.99. You'll grab 2 of them for $25.98. We don't have any digital coupons, so you'll pay that at the register. We'll get the $4 register reward for buying 2. Plus, check your fetch account. I have a spend 25 on Bounty products. I'll get 5,000 fetch points, which is $5, making both of these bags just $16.98. We have decent savings on Brawny, Quilted Northern, Angel Soft, and Dixie products. They are in promotion for buy 2 get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $6.99. So you're going to come grab a Brawny paper towel. Next, you're going to come grab a 6 equals 24 Quilted Northern. Grabbing these 2 products, your total will be $13.98. We have a $1.50 digital coupon for their Quilted Northern and a $1 digital coupon for the Brawny. You'll be left to pay $11.48 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $8.48 for both. Now, if you want to grab the Angel Soft or the Dixie, there's only 50-cent digital coupons for those. We have amazing savings on the Walgreens storage baggies. Y'all know I love using these. I personally use them at my house. They are buy 1 get 2 free, so you'll grab a total of 3 of them for just $2.79. This week for soda deals with Pepsi products are buy 2 get 1 free, so you'll grab 3 of them for $23.98. Dr. Pepper and Coke products. Now, Dr. Pepper is a different promotion technically than Coke, but they are buy 2 get 2 free for both brands, so you'll grab a total of 4 of them for $23.98. All right, we're back in from checkout, and I honestly could not get my stuff together today. I kept messing up on my math, like in my head, of the deals I wanted to do. I placed an online order, like I already had it written down on paper, and somehow I still messed it up. I was trying to add stuff, and I'm like, that's not going to work out like it says it will. So I already had placed the order. I had to have the manager come up and cancel the order. Just not my day. Then I forgot to like have her print a receipt, but that's not the end of the world. I'll pop up the online deal. So basically, we have, so I think of the spend booster, but there's a spend 15 on select Oral-B Crest products. I'll pop it up on the screen. And you'll get $15 in Walgreens cash, plus on the whitening products, there's spend 50. So you'll get $15 in Walgreens cash, so they stack together. These total $54-ish dollars. I forgot because I don't have a receipt, but I'll pop it up on the screen. I did do screenshots. $54-ish dollars. There's $10 coupon for this one, $10 coupon for this one. Use code WAG10 to save $3 and some cents. You're still over the $50 mark. Don't use like, I think it's March 20 or no, MAR 20 that takes off too much, I believe. Yes, it does, because that was my first that I added some other things, and yeah, I tried using March 20, whatever that code is, and I'm like, oh, that's not gonna work. Anyway, so it makes these, you'll pay $34 roughly before taxes. You'll get you'll pay something, you'll get about $30. Yeah, it makes them like $1 each or something. I'm sorry. Like I said, today's not my day. So there's that. And then I grabbed the Bounty deal. As you can see, I grabbed that on its own because I wanted to roll Walgreens cash. That was my goal of today. So let's go over my actual receipts. So I grabbed the Bounty, like I just said. I grabbed 2 of them. There's no coupons, but I wanted to spend the $25 to get the offer and fetch. So it was $25.98. I did roll $20 in Walgreens cash, so I technically swiped my card for $5.98. And then for this one, I did get the $4 register reward for buying 2. Then for my second transaction, I did the Dove Men and the Gillette. So this is the Dove Gillette 50% off items, and then the 2 full price items. My subtotal came, or no, for coupons we had the $6 for the Gillette, the $4 for the Dove. I almost forgot to tell you guys. Subtotal was $21.16. I rolled $20 in Walgreens cash, so I paid $1.16 for this receipt. I got 3 register rewards that printed out for this transaction, and I don't know if they're exactly the same or not. Well, they have different numbers. So I got 2 different $2 ones. What was that for? Oh, the Dove Men. Yeah. That's interesting. Plus, I got the $5 for the Gillette. Anyway, I submitted my first receipt to fetch for the 5,000 fetch points. And then I submitted my second receipt for the Dove offer, but it just says that it's pending. So we'll see. Hopefully, I should have met the spend amount, because it takes the amount you spent before the Walgreens cash. So I only had like $7 more to go, and I spent $10, so I should have hit that. So I should get whatever that back. So it makes this whole haul like the in-store portion, not the online orders. So make some, I don't know the math. I'm not gonna lie. Today's just not a mathy day for me, if that even makes sense. I just can't math anymore. And I'm actually really bad at math. Let's be honest. I would say I'm good at math, but I am very bad. But anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.